Shame on me. Shame on me for not going there. Anyway, we're going to Brodard. And there, we're going to have some amazing stuff. They have some really good stuff there at Brodard. They have different Brodard. They have Brodard and Chateau Brodard. Basically, the castle one and the other one. Good stuff, good stuff. As we leave Woodbridge behind us, and soon we'll be on the 405. Let's keep our fingers crossed for happy trails, right? Happy trails. We don't want to get stuck in traffic. Oh boy. There goes my
Likey